So now I'm going to show you guys the actual machining of my flywheel. I'm going to open up a machining file and choose my template. This is something I predefined with my vise and a bit of tools in it. Yeah, I'm so proud of my half machine. It's a really good machine apparently. So anyways, I'm going to clear all that stuff so you can see. This is how I usually work. And the way I designed this part, I put a frame on it so I can quickly connect it to the middle of my vise. You can have a lot of frames. You can have more than one, either on the part or on the vise itself. So however you want to have your setup, you can just quickly connect it. Just have a bunch of frames everywhere. I mean, you can build yourself a really efficient template. All you gotta do is build it once and you always reuse it after. So you gotta know how to use templates. So I'm gonna define my environment now. Basically, close the vise, and then I'm gonna lock it in, declare it as an environment. It's gonna take a while because this is a lot of calculation. Plus, I'm recording the screen, so it's not shouldn't crash. It's not gonna crash. This, you don't know. I don't usually do this for an easy part, but since I wanna show you guys the impressive stuff I'm doing, usually I don't go through all this trouble. If the part is really easy, I know what to expect, right? This is your switch. You can switch on the calculation or not. So I'm set up now. It's been a few minutes already. This part should be done by now. Just joking. So I'm gonna end mill first. Basically, I have all my cutting speeds in what's called an abacus. It's just a memory location. You see, AL6160. You can save in a new file, save in an existing file, and load from that file. Just like any other software, you have many materials, you can choose it and load from it. So I only have one. So this is gonna be just a regular and face milling. I mean, 0, 0. Nope. No, this is. Sorry. I'm gonna change my lead in. Oops, sorry. I don't like this. Some the software automatically kicks you out of your view. This I don't like. This is a complaint I have, but not so much. So this is just a facing. Now I'm gonna do the middle pocket. I'm not gonna do everything. I'm just gonna show you the really quick stuff. The rest is pretty much standard right after this. I'm gonna show you this pocket and the automatic roughing. And then I'm gonna move on to the final simulation after that. I still have some bit of stuff to discover, so I don't want to bore you guys. I want this to be a quick video. So basically the key with the high-speed milling, yeah, this is gonna be I'm basically gonna go at 175 inches a minute, 8,000 RPM, so really fast. Just a regular high-speed milling is how you should do this part. You could also totally cut out the edges and have the middle piece actually fall to the ground, but I didn't do it that way. I think that would be the best way actually. instance, I want to show you guys the automation. I'm going to show you the really quick stuff. So I'm basically choosing an appropriate feed for my helix. Obviously I can't go at 100 inches a minute, going 25. And it should be good. So this is actually a pretty good toolpad right here. This is what you want for high-speed milling. So that was pretty quick, right? Like that quality of a toolpad in such a quick time. So now I'm going to rough out all the outside, and I won't mess around like trying to be careful. Like the toolpad will be automatically adjusted to the environment surrounding my part. So my vise, I won't eat through my vise or damage it. It's really that easy. The software does it for you. It's going to be really, really quick. Yeah, so that's my high-speed milling toolpad. See, I'm going around the vise. Okay, so I'm done now. I'm going to show you first I'm going to show you the verify. Looks good. Looks pretty good. Pretty awesome, actually. It's a bit slow. I know it's a bit slow.